Hello guys, good day. I'm Jay from Pageant Trend. I'm here now with the newly crowned na napakagwapong Mr. Sanbeda. Ay walang iba kundi si Jacob. Jacob, how are you
Ano po?
today or tonight
Good
after
day
the
po.
crowning moment?
Good day po. Dito po ngayon, syempre, una sa lahat, I want to thank God. And pangalawa, to thank my family. And super saya ako na nakapagserbisyo ako sa buong Bedan community. At hindi lang doon, pero sa aking mga kapwa estudyante, outside San Beda, and everyone. Yun lang po.
All right, Jacob, how was your journey here at Mr. Sanbeda? And I know you've been busy with some other stuff because of course, you're studying, and at the same time, you've joined the pageant. How was it?
You know? So first of all, I wouldn't be here without my parents. So I want to give my flowers and thanks to my parents, to my dad, to my mom, to my lola, and everyone, to my family. And secondly, I want to thank God again because without God, without His will, wala po ako dito. Talagang pinagkaloob lang po ng Diyos na ginabayan niya ako na sumerbisyo sa mga tao po na nakakasama ko. At pangatlo po sa mga organizers po ng event na ito. Sa totoo lang po, napakadami ko pong tanong. Iniintay ko na nga lang po mainis pero they kept it genuine po at lagi naman po silang ready nandiyan and maganda po yung organization ng event and yun lang po.
Talking to your preparations, gaano mo siya pinaghandaan? Like a months ba? Or weeks? Or days?
Po. This is my first pageant po, so I have no prior knowledge po on how to get ready po, kahit nga po sa physical fit. But thank God po, dahil binigyan niya po ako ng handler na si Coach Eugene Lacson po. He taught me everything po, from the costume, from the rampa to the Q&A. It was a hard journey po. Sa totoo lang po, wala naman pong maganda o masarap sa buhay na madaling makuha. And with the guidance of Coach, and nag-persevere po kami, hard work, it really paid off po. And sa totoo lang, hindi po nagtatapos po ngayon ito. Simula lang po ito ng ating pagserbisyo sa ating mga kapwa Pilipino. At gusto ko lang po sabihin sa mga tao po dyan na lagi lang po tayo magseserbisyo na may puso. Salamat.
Talking to the pageant itself, which was your favorite part in this coronation night?
Actually po, everything's my favorite part. Pero if there's one thing talaga that struck me the most, it has to be the Q&A. Kasi syempre, dyan po lalabas talaga yung wit nyo, intelligence nyo, and pinaka-importante, personality. Kasi minsan po, iba-iba po tayo ng opinion, iba-iba po tayo ng perspektibo sa buhay, at ayos lang po iyon. Kailangan lang po natin maging sarili natin, at ipakita natin sa buong mundo, at huwag na huwag tayong mahihiya, dahil kanya-kanya tayo ay unique, masaya, at maging sarili lang tayo. Yun lang.
Alright, so during the Q&A, will you be expecting to be asked in a political question?
To be honest, I'm ready to be asked any question. Pero speaking of political terms, I have kept it personal. Personal in a way na hindi siya bias, pero we're still looking on concrete answers para wala po doon yung mga bias sa dito or doon. Let's just look at the facts, and with that, we can proceed with that, like the due process, and so we can keep it fair and balanced po. Yun lang po.
And you are now being scrutinized and looked by your co-Sanbedan.
Yes,
So
po.
how are you going to use that platform or title to inspire them?
Gusto ko lang po sabihin sa inyo na ako po ay katulad din yun po. Talagang tayo ay nagtiyaga lang, nagsakripisyo, at yung nagawa ko ay kaya nyo din pong gawin. Kaya po sa susunod, lagi nyo pong tatandaan, sabi nga po ni Michael Jordan, I can accept failing, but what I cannot accept is not trying. Magandang gabi, San Beda. Ingat po kayo.
Wow, bongga. And one last thing lang, your message to your fans and supporters, and as well as the persons behind your journey. And last thing, of course, your message to your parents.
I want to thank everyone who supported me, beginning from my family, friends, advisor, classmates, and even outside sa SkyJ family na share ng like, and even come here to watch me. Alam ko malayo po yung binyahin nyo, and I really appreciate that. At talaga nagstay pa po sila ng sobrang gabi na po, alas 10 p.m. na nga po na knowing may mga work po sila bukas or mga commitments, but they still choose to support me. And it was really nice to have a great family, a great community of Bedans and outside of Bedans. And yun lang po.
So yun, congratulations once again. totally ano talaga, as in certified Hakot Award King si Jacob. Ang daming mga awards niya, guys. Bonggang-bongga. And you have a future pageant king, diba? Are you planning in the near future to join in the national pageant aside from, joining in the local and in this school pageant?
Well, to be honest, ulitin ko po, kaya po ako sumali dito kasi gusto ko lang po magserbisyo sa mga tao. At sa nakikita ko po, hindi naman po magbabago iyon. Kaya so let's see you in the future na kung paano po tayo makakagamit ng mga platapormang katulad nito, ng mga events na katulad nito para mag-inspire, encourage at maging boses ng mga taong minority at mga hindi napapansin dahil tayo ang magiging boses para sa kanila upang marinig kung ano yung kailangan nila at kung ano yung kagustuhan upang ating mabigay dahil tayo isang community, isang pamilya at isang Pilipino.
Do you have any social media platforms to promote?
I just have my IG account, Waki08, and most importantly, our business, SkyJ Billiards near P. Campa. Go play SkyJ Billiards there po. It's very cozy and thank you po again, SkyJ fam, for supporting me in this journey. And yun lang po.
Ayun, you can see Jacob sa business nila. So try to visit them. And of course, congratulations once again. I have with Mr. Sanbeda 2026 Jacob. Ayan. Thank
Thank you
you,
po, guys.
Jacob. Hi guys, good day. I'm here with the father of the newly crowned Mr. Sanbeda 2026. So sir, how are you today? Are you expecting ba na mananalo yung anak nyo?
First of all, I would like to thank God. I would like to thank Jesus Christ. I would like to thank Mother Mary. Honestly, speechless. Sobrang saya. Hindi ko masabing hindi namin ina-expect. We work hard. Lagi ko nalang sinasabi sa anak ko, sa team, sa amin, buong pamilya, Lord, let your will be done. And I would like to thank the whole Sanbeda community and student council, or the organizers and the judges, and especially all the contestants. Thank you so much. Ang tunay na goal natin, at ang tunay na achievement natin is not being the champion, kundi yung as one community, na-boost ko yung confidence natin. Nagkaroon tayo, thanks God, nagkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon kahit ngayon lang na magkasama-sama sa pagtitipon na ito. And that, sana marami pang sumunod na mga event gaya nito para ma-enhance ang spiritual, emotional, educational at ma-develop yung youth natin, especially sa panahon ngayon na dumadanas tayo sa maraming pagsubok at political instability. Again, to the whole Sanbeda community and to the whole organizers, I'm really thank you.
Any best two words that best describe to Jacob as a son?
As a son, two words. Number one, napakapagmahal. Napakamagmahal. Pangalawa, dedicated. In all things, lahat ng ginagawa niya, maliit, medyo malaki, laging may puso, laging may pananampalataya, at laging para sa lahat. Hindi siya makasarili. Laging binibigay niya, hindi para lang sa sarili, kundi para sa lahat ng taong nasa paligid niya.
Wow, bongga. And syempre, Jacob is watching right now. What's your message to him?
Jacob, not sana. Pag-uwi natin, alam mo kung ano ang gagawin. We have to thank God. We have to thank Jesus Christ, and we have to thank Mother Mary. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na I'm so proud of you. Gaya ng lahat ng mga magulang, na nanalo man tayo or matalo, I'm so proud of you. Just keep up the good work. Pagpatuloy mo yung pagiging mabuting anak, mabuting estudyante, mabuting mamamayan. Let's make a difference to this country. Now you have your voice. You're now a Mr. Sanbeda 2026. Use your voice. Gamitin mo yung impluwensya mo, hindi lang sa pangsarili, kundi mabigyan natin ng mas magandang kinabukasan, maturuan natin ang mga kabataan na sana magkaroon tayo ng mas magandang kinabukasan. Again, anak, I love you so much. Hindi kayang pantayan ng kahit sino, ng kahit ano. Mahal na mahal kita. And congratulations, Mr. Sanbeda 2026, Jacob Godwin, P. Joaquin.
Wow, Wongga, I'm so proud of you, Father.
Thank you.
And I'm pretty sure na happy ngayon si Jacob with your heartfelt message. And
Thank you
in
so
all
much.
fairness, nakita ko yung performance niya sa buong pageant and he really deserves that crown.
Thank you so much.
And
Lahat po kayo-
talagang sa mukha niya pa lang, nakikita ko na talaga yung crown niya kanina pa lang. So I think he will be crowned as the next Mr. Sanbeda.
lahat po ay utang namin to sa Panginoong may kapal. Thank you so much po, Lord. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po.
And I'm looking forward for him to join the national pageant in the near future. And syempre, of course, prioritize his studies first, di ba?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Let's see. As of now, we just want to enjoy the moment. Hindi lang kami with you. Let's enjoy the moment.
Yes, and celebrate his winning. of
Thank you
course.
so much.
Thank you so much, sir, and congratulations once again to your family and of course to Jacob.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. That in all things, God may be glorified.
Yes, thank you po.
Thank you po.
Hi everyone! Nagpapasalamat ako dahil yung anak ko nanalo dito sa Mr. Sanbeda. Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa Diyos at ginabayan niya kung paano sumali ang anak ko. And then thank you din sa lahat ng mga tumulong sa anak ko. Kasi si Jacob, alam niyo, konting ano lang, ikikwento ko sa inyo. Si Jacob, noong una, nahihiya pa siya, ayaw niya talagang sumali. Tapos tinatanong niya sa akin, Mama, sasali ba ako? Kasi sobrang busy yan eh, yung pageant na yan eh. Tapos sabi ko, ikaw anak, kung ano yung nasa puso mo, syempre, support lang tayo. Then, ayun nga, nagulat kami, sumali siya, binalita niya sa amin na sumali nga daw siya. So, ayun, hindi namin ina-expect na ganito mananalo siya, magiging title pa siya. So, thank you, Lord. Yun, gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat.
Ano po yung
na
unang
tumulong.
in-advise nyo nung malaman nyo na magjo-join si Jacob sa Mr. Sanbeda?
Ayun, sabi ko lang sa kanya, anak, enjoy mo lang lahat ng gagawin mo. Una sa lahat, magdasal ka. Pag kinabahan ka, dasal lang and tiwala ka lang sa sarili mo. Kasi hindi ko rin dati rin kasi akong sumali sa mga pageant.
Wow.
Ganyan, wala, enjoy ko lang yung moment na nandun ako. Sabi ko sa kanya, i-enjoy mo lang, manalo, matalo. First time mo yan. Diyan na yung magiging unang step, magiging unang mong hakbang papunta sa, kasi mahilig din siya sa mga fashion, sa mga modeling, ganyan. Ayan. At least ngayon, ito na yung pinakauna mo, nanalo ka pa, title ka pa ngayon. So congrats anak, I love you, mahal na mahal kita. Mahal ka namin ng daddy mo. Nandito lang kami para suportahan ka sa lahat ng gusto mo. Thank you!
Wow! Congratulations
I love
po
you.
for Jacob. And may future talaga siya sa pageantry.
Oo.
And as well as sa show business.
Sana
Napakagwapong bata talaga.
Sana nga. Tuloy mo lang anak ha. I love you!
Ayan. Thank you po!